Running final 10, trafico, homestead.
Traffic, that seaplane is over North Bimini, 500 feet, circling the land, north. The traffic system 122 is going around runway 10, home to traffic. Overhead the runway, also traffic.
Onto traffic, Cessna 150, about 1 mile north, 3 miles north. I'm joining downwind for 10 homestead.
Homestead traffic, glider release 3,000 feet, 2 miles east of the airport. Still descending left traffic, 9 sir, Homestead. Homestead Cessna 152 is established on left downwind for the 10 traffic. Do you have us in sight, please?
I have traffic on site.
Homestead traffic, skyline upwind 10, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, that's now 150, downwind, 10 homestead. I have traffic on site.
Homestead Cessna 152 is on downwind for runway 10, any traffic on base on final, please be advised.
Okay, trafico.
Homestead traffic, skyline turning left, crosswind 10, Homestead.
The traffic glider still over the northeast corner of the airport, 1,600 feet, trying to close in, left downwind 9 sir, Homestead. Hello area, 71 Hotel, southwest of the Ocean Airport, heading westbound. Descending to 1,500 from 3,000. Westbound.
Homestead traffic, skyline is turning left, downwind 10, Homestead.
Onto traffic, Cessna 150 turning base, 10. Have the traffic on final on site.
Homestead Cessna 152 final show on the 10 Homestead land. Homestead traffic. Homestead traffic, glider tailplane left base, final runway 9 sir, Homestead.
Traffic, Cessna 150 turning final, 10 homestead.
Homestead traffic, skyline 24 November, turning left base 10 to the Homestead.
Flaps.
Homestead Cessna 152 is vacating the active runway 10 at Alpha 3, Homestead traffic.
touching roll, Homestead. Number 2.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 152, head. Homestead Cessna 152 at Alpha 3, taxiing to runway 10 Homestead traffic.
Cessna 150, clear on runway 10, Alpha 2, Homestead.
General Aviation Airport, automated weather observation 1717 Zulu weather, wind 120 at 9er, peak gust 14, visibility more than 10, sky condition 2 clouds at 3000, temperature 25 Celsius, 2.19er Celsius, altimeter 3010. General Aviation Airport, automated weather observation 1718 Zulu weather, wind 120 at 9er, peak gust 14, visibility more than 10, sky condition 2 clouds at 3000, temperature 25 Celsius, 2.19er Celsius, altimeter 3010. General Aviation Airport, automated weather observation 1718 Zulu weather, wind 120 at 10, peak gust 14, visibility more than 10, sky condition 2 clouds at 3000.
Traffic, any traffic on base or final piece of site? Thank you, Homestead.
Okay.
Homestead traffic, Skylane 24 November, midfield left downwind 10 for a power off short approach runway 10, Homestead. I have the chopper inside. Homestead traffic, Skylane 24 November, turning left, base 10, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 152, holding short, runway 10, Homestead traffic.